Hi and welcome to IELTS Mark tips and practice for the IELTS exam. Thanks for watching, and today we're going to talk about linking words between your paragraphs. So we're talking about writing today, and it's important to use conjunctive words or words that link your paragraphs together, like firstly, secondly, thirdly, words like that, because it will give your writing a flow to it. And when I say flow, I mean that your writing will sound smooth when a reader reads it. Now remember that the IELTS examiners are going to be reading your writing, and if it feels smooth to them when they're reading it, and they'll also be looking out for these types of linking words, then you will get a better score. Now, IELTS examiners are trained to look out for these words and your efficient and proper use of them. So it's important that you practice at home how to use them. So I have here an example of just a very quick answer that I put together. And you'll see here I've used firstly, secondly, thirdly. I just made up this question here about children spending too much time in front of electronic devices. It's a common question that you'll see in the IELTS writing test, and this is more like a task 2 type question. Firstly, the world they will inherit will be vastly different, and then secondly, to introduce my next paragraph. Now obviously your paragraphs here would be a little bit longer, and I have another video where I talk about supporting your arguments in your writing, but I've just bolded them here, the words firstly, secondly, thirdly, further, children are entering, and then finally and in conclusion. And what that helps the reader to do when they're reading through your paragraphs is to follow your writing and to follow your argument and see where you're going in your writing. Now, of course, you don't have to use first and second and third. You can use other words like further, in addition, moreover. There's a whole bunch of them that you can use, but it's important that you practice using those words and maybe even get some ready for the writing test that you know how to use and that you can put into your writing to help it sound smoother and to flow. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these tips and tricks, and good luck with your exam.